Oh! Oh!
Ah!
Hey, move over so you can see. Oh, it's going. This is gonna be messy. Woo! Here we go. Oh, it's gonna come right at us. Oh no, is it gonna pop? Here he goes. I think it's gonna shoot the lid off. Here it goes.
Oh, don't touch it. Look at that. Let me get a picture before you move it. Oh,
I'm dumping some of this in my mouth.
Look at that.
I'm dumping some of this in my mouth.
I wouldn't do that. It has egg and stuff all up in there.
Oh, I'm gonna do that.
You forgot about that? Oh, so pick that Coke bottle up. You think it's flat?
Hey, look where it popped out.
It popped out the bottom. We were both wrong. We thought it was gonna pop the lid, didn't it? Well, that Coke was a lot of fun. It was real sticky, and Noah was very scared that it was gonna pop on him like the shaving cream, so you stayed back, didn't you? Had your face shield on, all the way against the door, but it didn't. So anyway, next time, what are we gonna do? Thomas the Train! We got some feedback that y'all like that, so this time we're gonna do a water tank from Thomas the Train. If you like this channel, what do they need to do?
Comment down below.
And
Subscribe!
hit that subscribe button down there so that you can continue to enjoy us. And if you have something that you want to see us smash, what do they need to do?
Comment down below.
Comment down below and we'll take a look at it and see if we can incorporate it into one of our future videos. So until then, come back next time and see us smash it! That's gross. Oh! Yuck! That's not even recognizable.
Yeah, it looks like a burrito.
You can't even tell what it almost looks like a cow skin.
But my